Okay, this tutorial is on how to set up a Google Chrome extensions to assist you in your learning. So first we're going to go to Google Chrome browser. Then we're going to go to the three lines over here and go down to Settings. And here, this is where you're going to sign in. If it's somebody's already signed in, you're going to disconnect, then sign back in. So we're going to sign in. We're going to sign in. We're going to create a new user. Okay. I don't need a desktop. I'm going to add. And now we're going to sign in again. And then we say, okay, got it. Your name should be here. Okay. So here's your account. Now you're going to go back to Settings. Make sure that you're here. Click on Extensions. Okay. Now these are all normal extensions. If you want the Adobe Acrobat that converts current web page to the Adobe PDF file, all you have to do is click Enable, and it will load it. Okay. You click out of here. Now we want more extensions. Make sure this is on here. Then we're going to type in read and write. And I'm going to click on extensions again so that it pulls them up to the top. So we want read and write, add extension. We want Grammarly, add extension. We want Kami, add extension. And if it does this, you just pop it right back. We want Select and Speak. It's acting funky. So what I might do is to settle this down, if it does it to you, just type in Select and Speak. Click out. It's just loading the other one. Select and Speak. We want this one. And we also want Digo, Web Collector. Add to Chrome. Okay, and those are basically the ones you want. Know that you can go back and add anything you want. And notice that they keep on going to the website. You don't need to do that. When you first open something, it may ask you to allow it to work. So here we are. See, all your extensions are right here. So if we go back to google.com, you are still signed into Drive. Okay, so you can see it. This is where you sign and sign out. And if you go to Drive, just so you know how the read and write works, so if I want, say I'm going to make a new Google Docs. And I'm going to write read. No thanks. You can tell this is a new account. It keeps on asking different things. Read and write. Okay. Remember, you click on this to change the title. Now here's the read and write icon. If you click on it, This is where you have to allow it. Now notice if you scroll down you may not be able to see it. You just have to scroll down and see it and click on this, but if you can't, use the tab key until it clicks on the allow. Okay? And then you just say continue. And you may have to do these for all of the extensions. Okay? Now see, when you click on this, you have all these tools. Now the only ones that will work after the 30-day are basically these three. So what you do is you click on where you want it to read, and it will highlight the text and read it word by word. When you're done, you can go back. Now Select and Speak will do the same thing if you click on it and click on Select and Speak, but it doesn't highlight word by word. Kami is the one that annotates PDF. Diigo lets you highlight and annotate on a test in Schoology and on the website. This will do Select and Speak anywhere in the computer, on the browser, in Word. Grammarly will address any online spelling that you would like to use. This Adobe will create a web page into a PDF file. So these are the basic assistive technology tools, extensions you get in Chrome. While I'm here, I will suggest that you can get, while you're in here, there's like EasyBib is one. You just add it and you allow it. Okay? So that will now become one of your add-ons that you can add. The tools, if you go to tools, just want to where there's spelling, there's define. You can actually, if you have a microphone, you can voice type. You just click on this, click it to speak, allow the microphone, and see how it is taking my text and typing it. Okay? And then the other tool is research, and it will do research of all of this, everything, right here in your browser. And then you can either preview it, insert a link, or cite it. Okay, these are just few of the extensions and the assistive tech available within Chrome. Another thing, I know we talked about spelling, but if you go to the tools and you want to define this word, all you have to do is click on the word and go to define, and it will do that. And another thing I should mention is if you want them to insert comments and you want comments on reading on a Google Doc, they can just do it and these will stay and until they hit resolve. In this way, if you want them to make comments, they can save this and share it with you directly with the comments on it. Okay, I can't think of anything else right now. Remember, any questions, just see me. Hope this helps.